Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, for joining our special ceremony for the 12th Tctap Award 2022 Master of Masters. My name is Sung Jong Bak, and it's my great honor as the chairman of the Cardiovascular Research Foundation to present this award. Master of Masters Award is granted to the recognized expert who has made a remarkable dedication to the field of intervention cardiology and the growth of Tctap over a significant period of time. Since 2011, we have given the award to the 11 masters, and I would like to express my heartfelt appreciation for their hard work and accomplishment in the field on behalf of all cardiologists and Tctap committees. And now, the winner of 12th Master of Masters Award will be announced.
You know, I have a distinct memory of watching you do some of your first cases at Stanford. That was in the early days of IVUS. And I remember saying to Peter Fitz, this guy is some kind of a prodigy.
The prodigy was born in Hong Kong in 1958. As a child, he loved to learn how things are put together and how things work. He enjoyed reading an encyclopedia that explains the difference between nuclear fusion and nuclear fission. He learned about medicine through his older sister, who was in medical school. He liked to quiz her about various pathology of the human body, such as TB infection of the knee. In high school and in college, he liked how fluid flows and how systems work. He was drawn to interventional cardiology since he can fix broken pipes and damaged valves. He earned his bachelor's degree from University of California, Berkeley, and his medical doctorate from Harvard Medical School. He completed his internship and residency at Massachusetts General Hospital and joined a cardiology fellowship with Brigham and Women's Hospital and Harvard Medical School in Boston, Massachusetts. He led the Division of Cardiovascular Medicine at Stanford University School of Medicine for so many years, and currently he is leading the field as Li Ka-shing, professor in cardiology and medical director at Stanford Healthcare. Dr. Young has been contributing hugely to TCTAP for more than 2 decades, sharing his knowledge to the participants all around the world. By participating as moderator, panelist, and lecturer, he has been inspiring many clinicians and scientists in the field of cardiology. He has been publishing more than 300 papers covering the topics of transcatheter aortic valve replacement, obstructive coronary artery disease, percutaneous coronary intervention, intravascular ultrasound, and so on. Not only that, but he also published books that could be a one-of-a-kind textbook for fellows in training and practicing interventionalists.
I know Professor Young for more than 20 years, back to the early times when interventional cardiology was a challenge. I admire the knowledge, the simplicity, and the humbleness of Alan.
You added so much to the field of interventional cardiology, and it has been my pleasure and my honor to have been in your side during the last decade, learning from you and your vision.
I first met you when you were a cardiology fellow at the Brigham in the late 1980s. I was your attending physician, and I'm proud to say I also became your research mentor. The audience should know that I, as well as many of my faculty colleagues, thought of you as the best cardiology fellow who worked at the Brigham over many years in the cath lab.
Alan has been a mentor and a friend. When I came down in the early 90s, I was not even close to be as skilled as Alan, but he helped me. He was always there if I needed a lending hand, needed how to, progress on a specific coronary artery, or even take care of a particular patient with cardiovascular disease.
Congratulations, Alan.
Dr. Young has been instructed academically in Harvard, Brigham and Women's Hospital, and Stanford University for more than 20 years.
Worldwide, the interventional community knows of you as a superb clinician with amazing technical skills and an unparalleled fund of knowledge, who's also a gifted educator and researcher. But few have had the good fortune of working side by side and learning from you for the past 26 years like I have. You always put your junior colleagues first and promote them ahead of yourself.
I've always found Alan to be a very clear thinker and an outstanding physician educator who helps to put our therapies and our choices into context. He's been a great bridge from the United States to all of Asia for many of these years, and through that has to the dissemination of tremendous skills and knowledge throughout the world.
Hey Alan, sending you a sincere congratulations on receiving the Tctap Award 2022 Master of Masters Award. As you know, the Tctap committee has decided to award you this year, as you have been attending Tctap for more than 20 years now, sharing your expertise and experience with the peer clinicians worldwide and contributing hugely to the field of cardiology by bringing new insights through your research, especially in TAVR, FFR, and many various cutting-edge issues and more. You are a good friend of mine. We have been sharing lots of good memories for the last 20 years. I hope to keep our friendship and mentorship for a long time in the future too. Congratulations again, Alan.
Dr. Young has been devoting himself to the development of the field of cardiology in every aspect possible. However, family was always his priority.
Hi Dad, congratulations on your Masters of the Masters Award. Your dedication to your work and your care for your patients are truly inspiring to us. You are our role model and we always look to you for advice and guidance. We always know you'll be there for us even when we're all miles away from each other.
Thank you for being an amazing father and lending us your undying support. While we know you work extremely hard while taking calls in the middle of the night, you still get a good laugh out of us.
We are so proud of all the accomplishments you have achieved and your commitment to the advancement in the field of cardiology. Your passion for clinical care is evident and truly inspiring.
Congratulations. We love you, Dad.
Congratulations, Dr. Young.